Okay, let's talk about writing fractions as percents. To write a fraction as a percent, this is the strategy that we follow. Okay, so you should write that in your notes. You're going to take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. That's going to give you a decimal. You multiply that decimal by 100, and that will give you your percentage. So this is just like figuring out your grades on your assignments. So let's say that you got a 4 out of 5 on an assignment, and you want to know what your percent is. You would do 4 divided by 5, and that's 0 and 8/10. You're going to multiply that times 100, and that equals 80%, which is a B minus, by the way. If you got an 11 out of 20 on an assignment, or if I said 11/20ths of students were ready for class and we wanted to know what percent was ready for class, it works the same way. You take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. 11 divided by 20, it's going to give me 55 hundredths. Multiply that times 100, and that's going to give me 55%. It's either a really bad grade, an F, or not very many students ready for class. So pause the video and do numbers 3 and 4, and then restart it to check your work. All right, 24/25, I'm going to take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. Oops. And I get 0 and 96 hundredths. Multiply that times 100, and that gives me 96%. That's a good grade right there. All right, 42/50. I'm going to do 42 divided by 50. And that's giving me 84 hundredths. I'm going to multiply that times 100, and I get 84%. So that's how you take fractions and write them as percents.